Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Roblyn, and for today's video I'm gonna show you a beautiful campsite beside a river. This is Gregg River. It's clear and beautiful, and this is a 20 minutes drive from town of Hinton. This is a beautiful campsite. This is a public land, so if you want to camp here for a night, or you can camp here for 14 days, you have to buy the public land camping pass. And I'm gonna show you this area. This is a beautiful area, and they have a big space here, so you can put your car there, or your van there, or your camper there. And there's another one there, and here's another one here, but still full of snow. And they have one here as well. You can camp here as a group, or you can just bring your family here for a picnic. And this is beautiful. You're surrounded with beautiful mountains and beautiful trees. Today we're gonna camp here for a night. So we brought some food for us for lunch and for dinner. And I have here my green picnic mat and with my snack. And somebody left their portable grill, so maybe we can use that for our barbecue. And we got our portable gas stove and our snack, and here's my rice, coffee, and everything. And they have a beautiful fire pit as well, but you have to buy your own wood because you can't just cut wood here. So this is beautiful. You can hear the water flowing, and you can see it's crystal clear. And we have our solar lights as well. There you go. Isn't it beautiful? What a beautiful view. If you're brave enough, you can swim there, but for me it's a big no because it's really cold. It's cold as ice. There you go.
A safe home where they
Rice
can come
is
back for
cooking
counseling
now.
and to